The Peterbilt 359 is back with a 600 HP engine that'll shake the highway. The 2025 Peterbilt 359 isn't just a truck. It's a roaring tribute to American trucking history, now supercharged with modern muscle. Buckle up as we tear into its insane specs, retro modern design, and why this beast is breaking the internet. The 2025 Peterbilt 359 packs a 600 HP Caterpillar C15 engine, delivering 2,050 lb-ft of torque. Enough to haul 80,000 lb uphill without breaking a sweat. This modernized classic retains its iconic mechanical reliability, but adds Packer MX-13 hybrid technology, boosting fuel efficiency by 12% while slashing emissions. The engine's turbo compound system recycles exhaust energy, ensuring peak power even in extreme conditions. The 359's design honors its 1967 roots with a long nose hood, chrome accents, and round headlights, but upgrades include 1. Aerodynamic side skirts reducing drag by 8%. 2. LED light bars for modern visibility. 3. Custom paint options like firecracker, red, and midnight black. With metallic finishes, the sleeper cab now features a low-profile roof for improved stability, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge engineering. Step into a cabin that merges 1970s charm with 2025 tech. 1. Ergonomic leather seats with heating, cooling, and lumbar massagers. 2. 12-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, real-time diagnostics, and Sirius XM. 2. Smart storage, hidden compartments, a 20L fridge, and wireless charging pads. The sleeper cab now includes a fold-out workstation and ambient lighting for overnight hauls. The 2025 359 integrates Volvo-derived safety tech. 1. Collision, mitigation, radar, and cameras. Auto brake to prevent accidents. 2. Lane, keep, assist, gentle steering corrections for tired drivers. 3. 360-degree camera system eliminates blind spots during tight maneuvers. 4. The air disc brakes and adaptive cruise control ensure safety meets brute power. Originally produced from 1967-1987, the 359 became a symbol of American trucking grit. The 2025 reboot targets collectors and fleets alike, priced at $25,000 to $95,000, $300,000. While the Freightliner Cascadia offers more tech, the 359's heritage and raw power make it a highway icon. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.